All right, so in order to make sure that our district-wide Zoom account still has room for cloud recordings, we're asking that people periodically, like maybe once a week, depending on how often that you are recording to the cloud, go into your cloud recordings and download them. So if you have more than one, you could select all and then export them or delete them if you don't need them. But if you do want them, if you click next to the drop down that says more and then click download, it will download the two files. You can allow that if it pops up for permission. And then they're down here, there are two versions of them. All I'm going to do is I have one more tab right here. This is in Google Drive. All I've done is created a new folder by going new and then folder, and I've just named it Katie's Zoom recordings. All you have to do is drag them in here and they will start uploading. Now, if they don't show up down here, then you would just get them from your download folder, which is right here, or click new, file upload, and then search for them on your computer using the desktop or downloads or whatever, however you had it. Okay, so the other option is instead of using cloud recordings, you can always use local recordings. Local recordings download or save that recording onto whatever device, whatever laptop that you're using. The way that you would set that up is click in settings and then the tab up here that says recording. And you can check the box for local recording. Then when you're in a Zoom meeting and you press record, it will ask you whether you want to record locally, which again is onto the device itself, onto the laptop, or the cloud. And right now, we've had Zoom for about a month and we're using about 90% of our district-wide Zoom cloud recording space. And what will happen is eventually those will just start to delete the most outdated Zoom recordings, and we don't want people to lose them. So again, go to your recordings. Once they load, click more and then download. You can also select them if there's more than one and click export. The export will then open up a CSV file, which is just a spreadsheet, and I'll show you what that looks like. The problem with that is that it will give you a link, but it doesn't ever download them. So that'll give you a link to them, but then you need to click delete, and then it will be moved to the trash. So download and then delete. If you export, all it does is open up this that has this information. It does not have the actual file. So that doesn't really help you. So again, you have to download, not export, right? And then in the trash, once they're in the trash, it's fine. The trash will be emptied. And as it says up here, those files will not count as part of the total storage allowance. If you want to, you can get rid of them by just clicking and then saying delete. But that doesn't have to happen. It'll be anything that's in the trash will be automatically deleted after 30 days. And that file does not count towards the total storage. So that's what we need to do so that we don't lose them unintentionally. We want you to download them and then delete them. And alternatively, don't ever record to the cloud and record instead locally to your device. And then it doesn't matter how much space you have. I just saved them in Google Drive, but you could also download them to your device itself. All right, thank you.